Okay, so I'm finally to a place in my van build where I have my ceiling panels and wall panels installed. So I'm at a place now where I can start looking at installing cabinets. So I had already purchased these cabinets for my bed system from Rigwell, and I got them and I really love them. I really like the looks of them and the finishes. And so this is going to act as my electrical cabinet, and this is going to act as my plumbing cabinet. Of course, there's a bed that goes across here, and this bed's kind of neat. It flips up and gets out of the way so that you can have this space free for when you need it. But knowing that I like this cabinet, I'm now looking at buying the rest of my cabinets for the van from Rigwell so that they all have the same finishes and the same look for continuity of the space. So what I wanted to do is to mock up the size and shape of the Rigwell cabinets so that I know that spatially they're working and that I have the correct amount of cabinets and that the feel of it is just working for me. So one thing I learned is that I was originally going to have a cabinet here, the same as this 4-foot slider, and I found that it's a little too cramped for that. So I'm just going to stick with the one large 4-foot slider here, the shallower overhead cabinet here, and then what I've also done is mocked up Rigwell's galley to see how that's fitting in the space. So I've kind of just mocked up the size and shape of the galley. This is going to have a refrigerator that is a drawer type that pulls out here. My sink is going to be here, and then this is the Rigwell drawer and cabinet configuration. So everything's working kind of the way I imagined it. You know, things feel right, it feels good, and so I'm happy I did this mock-up. Makes me a little more comfortable for making the purchase. And the next step is installing the cabinets.